So I ran into this problem, and the problem is that GameMaker does not support alt codes. So you can't enter in custom little characters using alt codes on your keyboard. The workaround for that is to use the Unicode equivalent of that character, and doing that allows you to insert these custom glyphs or characters into your game without having to use alt codes. So all the alt codes have equivalent Unicode value. So the ones that I specifically wanted to use are the suits. So you could look up these values on Unicode lookup. So I've got all the card suits here, and it will give you a range of what, or the decimal equivalent of what that value is. And what you do is, for your fonts, you have to make sure that they support these custom symbols. So a good choice would be Arial, which supports like 3,000 different characters. So all of the normal alt codes and Unicode equivalents are in there. So what you do is you create this font. I would just recommend using Arial, and on default it's going to use all of the normal characters, which is 32 to 127. Those are all the normal keyboard values that you would have. And then to add those custom characters that you want to add a new range right here, and then you can edit that range right here. So for the suits, I'm going to go from, you can see right here, 9824 to 9831. So I could use all of them if I wanted to. And I have that right here. And now I have access to all of the different suit values, which is nice. So doing that, now I could go back to where I'm drawing this text. So you need to make sure to set your font to the font that you have this custom values at. And what you do is you either add the Unicode hexadecimal value for it or the octal value. So you could see here for black spade suit, the hexadecimal value is 2660. I have that right here for both of these. I have to change this later, don't worry about that. And now you'll see that this works perfectly.